Hello students, in this video also we are going to see how to find the standard deviation of the data. So in the last videos we have discussed different things about the standard deviation of the data. So in the data there are main two different data are there. One is grouped data and ungrouped data. So in the ungrouped data they will give the data as individual numbers. Okay. So for ungrouped data we can use four methods to find the standard deviation. So the first one is direct method. So that is sigma x square, summation of x square by n minus summation of x by n whole square root. So that already we have discussed in the last video. Then the second method is, first one is direct method, then the second one is mean method, then the third one is assumed mean method, then the fourth one is step deviation method. So in this video we are going to discuss how to find the standard deviation of the data using mean method. So I will explain one of the book example question which is given in your textbook. So if you have a textbook you can take and see example 8.5, example 8.5 in page number 305. The amount of rainfall in a particular season for 6 days are given. So the amount of rainfall in a particular season of for 6 days they have given. So 6 different individual measures they will give. So usually we will calculate the rainfall by centimeter. So நம்ம நியூஸ்ல எல்லாம் கேட்டிருப்போம், இங்கே எத்தனை சென்டிமீட்டர் மழை பெஞ்சிச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ லைக் தட் தே ஆர் கிவிங் த டிஃப்ரெண்ட் rainfalls, amount of rainfall in different days. The first one is, so that is x. The first one is different rainfalls are 17.8 centimeter, then 11.4 centimeter, 11.4 centimeter, 12.5 centimeter, 12.8 centimeter, 16.3 centimeter, 17.8 centimeter, and then 19.2 centimeter. These are the different measures they have given. Okay. So in the method that we are going to use to find the standard deviation is mean method. So the second type, mean method. So find the standard deviation of the data using mean method. So we are going to use that one. So first to find the mean of the data. So mean x bar is equal to .4, 12.5, 12.16.3, then 17.8 plus 19.2, sum of observation divided by number of observation, all the numbers, it is 90 by 6 equal to 15. So the mean x bar is equal to 15. Next we will have to use we are going to draw the table column. This is x, d and d square. So why we have drawn like this? Standard deviation of the data in mean method, summation of d square by n, square root of summation of d square by n. So this d will be x minus x bar. The difference between the observation and mean is the d. So d. So this is x and this is, we can find d square. Then finally if you add all the d square, that is summation of d square. d ella add pannamna summation of d. Summation of d we no need to find, only we need sum of d squares. Okay. So 11.4, 12.5, 12.8, 16.3, 17.8, 19.2. Then find the, so x minus x bar is equal to 15. So 11.4 minus 15 is 3.6. Big number simple, minus. Then 12.5 minus 15 is equal to minus 2.5. So either x bar la subtract pannrom. X bar already we have found, that is mean 15. So 11.4 minus 15 is 12.5 minus 15 minus 2.5. 12.8 minus 15 minus 2.2. So similarly we have to find all the difference, d we have to find. Then we have to find the d square. So minus 3.6 whole square, minus 3.6. So if we multiply, we will get 12.96. Okay. So 12.96. This minus irundhalum plus irundhalum, the square of negative or positive will be always positive. So all the numbers will be here plus. So like that, 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25. So 22 into 22, 4.84. So like that you have to find all the d squares. Then we have to add all d squares. Then we have to find their sum. Then we have to substitute this value here by number of datas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Then square root. Then we have to find the square root of that. This is the way to solve the problem. This is the way to find the standard deviation of the data in mean method. This is the formula to find the standard deviation of the data in mean method. Okay, clear? So you can do by yourself. You have to write the question in your note and you have to do by yourself.